Vidyalaya, Mount Babu University, students, staff, and everybody. Welcome. We must be proud we born in India. Yes or no? Say loudly. And now,
so we are going to have satellite launch, balloon satellite launch here.
Rendu Rashtrallo, 2 states lo. This is the first time university is launching like this. Hats up for you. Thanks for the ISRO team, our ISRO team and SCAR. NIRS, total RS. Sir, for total, thank you very much. Welcome to you also. We appreciate you. And I don't know what to tell. I feel proud about the institution. All my students, something great, they are going to become something great. They will bring name not only in India, in the world. Mount Babu University students and Prapancha Prakhyati Gansar. My dear lovely students and staff members, once again, thank you and best of luck. Once again, I want some sound. Once again, hats up to our India. Pray to the God, our Almighty, and pray your parents and staff all be Guru Guru Practicandi. It must be successful, no doubt. 35 kilometers it travels. 35 కిలోమీటర్ల హైట్లో మినిమం 30-35. ఇది ఫ్లైట్ మామూలుగా ప్రయాణం చేసేది 10 kilometers or 12 kilometers. బట్ దిస్ ఈజ్ గోయింగ్ టు ట్రావెల్ 30-35. అక్కడ విండ్ని బట్టి అన్నీ దీన్ని రికార్డ్ అవుతుంటాయి. విండ్ ఎంత ఉంది, వాటర్ ఎంత, ఇవన్నీ కూడా